Have you had enough water yet?
I may take a swig of sports drink before I go back outside again.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We're going to do a quick mail call and then talk about our Every Bit Counts challenge. Some more details about how you can participate.
I want to remind people, because there's lots going on.
You think?
Yeah.
What have you been doing today?
Well, we just took a water break. We've been redoing the irrigation in the north yard.
So I've been digging holes and digging through caliche and trying not to dig through electrical lines and not break water lines.
And I've got irrigation on a couple of beds now, and
yeah, but we'll do all of this in an upcoming video. We think it's interesting.
Yeah, well, it's exciting. It's easier when you're not constantly having to stand out there. And for a while there, I was using a watering can, which is fine. I don't mind using a watering can. But it won't be too long before we run out of water because there's no rain in the forecast. So the little tank by the studio where we collect water off the roof there, that'll only hold up for a little while. This time last year it was already empty. So I'm thrilled to have the amount of water we do have.
Hey, we have a mail call.
We do. Totally unexpected. It was very cool.
It was a real surprise when we went into the post office and...
Right, and there was this thing crammed it just barely fit in our mailbox. And I was like, what's this? And I was like, okay.
So we opened it up.
And we were totally delighted.
Surprised would be the real word.
Right, well, delighted too.
This is a great gift from Pam, from Simply Pam.
Right.
Thanks very much, Pam. It was totally unexpected. It's really cool. Thank you very much for sending it to us.
Yes. We're going to put this up in the kitchen, I think. I've got a spot there that, see? Yeah,
she actually put who it came from, who it was to, and the year.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep. She signed it and everything. So it's a signed copy. Pam does have an Etsy site, and I know when she posted some of these on Instagram the other day, somebody was asking if she had any on her Etsy site, and she said no, she was actually sold out right now. Yeah, but contact her.
I didn't know she had an Etsy site.
Yeah, she does. She does. I'll have to track down the URL for it. But yeah, she does have an Etsy site. She's doing her artwork. She does some very nice paintings. And she does work on commission too. So if you have something in particular that you're interested in having produced, I know she does that.
Contact her.
Yeah, we'll put the information, her contact information. But we're delighted with this. It's totally cheerful. I think this will probably go up in the kitchen, probably next to my seed stash.
That'd be a great place.
Yeah. Then that's kind of my fun corner anywhere where I put all kinds of crazy stuff. So this will be perfect.
Including you.
Yes. I work in the corner a lot, so.
Yeah, there's nobody can sneak up behind you that way.
Actually, my back is to the room, but I can see the birdies outside, which is why I really like it. So thanks again, Pam. This is awesome.
We need to talk about the Every Bit Counts challenge.
Yeah, we want to remind people about it. I put up a couple of posts on Instagram this week, just of small steps, things that have happened on our homestead. We got our first garden pea this week.
Yeah, we split it.
We did, and actually there's another one I didn't have a phone with me this morning, so I didn't take its picture, and I want to take its picture before I chopped him off. But there's another one that's ready.
So I got 3 peas and you got 3 peas.
That's right, and I tell you what, there's nothing like a pea straight out of the garden, especially the first ones of the season. They're just such a treat. And I posted it to Instagram because it's always a big deal when you get your first stuff. Today I've got something else that I need to post. Our asparagus has popped up.
What we do here on our channel is we have a playlist called #EveryBitCountsChallenge. And any show that we put out, I put into that playlist.
Right.
Now, if you put out a show or if you put a video up, whether it's a short, whether it's a more involved show, let us know. You can send me a link at our email address. It's in the about of our channel, and I'll put it into our Every Bit Counts Challenge playlist.
Right. And if you're not a YouTuber, if you just like to watch YouTubes, if you're doing something that fits into the challenge, which is just about anything anything you're doing that you know, you're learning to bake, you're learning to do this, you're doing that. Any little bit that you're doing to be self-sufficient, to be more productive in your life. I just posted on one of our videos where we talk about Every Bit Counts Challenge. And we're going to try and talk about it pretty much at least once a week now, because things are starting to come off. It's small quantities right now, but, you know, I picked pak choi yesterday, and I posted it before and after to Instagram, because I had the picture of the pak choi in my hand after I'd cut it, and then the bowls of soup, because we had a chicken that Henry roasted earlier this week, and made soup out of that, and I make a Chinese soup using the pak choi. We actually had it for dinner last night, and we made a big pot, so we had it for lunch today too. And that was our fast food, because we were planning that this morning. We're busy. We're really pushing to try and get some specific projects out of the way, because I got to get back in the studio, because I've got some work I've got to get down there. I'm out of some stuff on my Etsy shop. We were planning in terms of our meals today, and it's just like, okay, fast food. What can we just literally, I mean, basically what I did was threw the leftovers from last night in the pot, heated it up while I put away the dishes from the dishwasher. So that's fast food.
Yeah, we've been out all day digging and planting and fixing and repairing.
Yeah. And restructure is basically, because we had never intended some of these areas to have as many beds in them as they do. So we needed to break it up into multiple pieces, because otherwise you're watering this gigantic area with one water system.
Doesn't work. It's terribly inefficient if you're getting the furthest away plant enough water to keep it alive. In the meantime, you're drowning everything else.
Some areas are in the sun, direct sun, all year round, no matter what. Other areas get partial sun. Other areas never get sun. So obviously we needed to break all that up. So that's what we're in the process of doing basically out there. Plus we're building some new beds, because we want more flower beds. And we want some of the stuff to be closer to the house, so that when you're sitting in the kitchen at the table, you can see the birdies and stuff like that without going, what is that out there?
We'll give you an update on all of that.
Yep.
We've made tremendous progress on the first bed that we were expanding, and a lot of progress on other things that we're doing.
Right.
So, well, look, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much, Pam, from Simply Pam, for sending us that awesome pictorial sign.
Right. It's a cool sign. I like that.
And don't forget, Every Bit Counts Challenge. Use hashtag everybitcountschallenge in your show, in your video. Put it in the title, put it in the name, put it in the comments. And if you don't shoot videos, I'll be putting out at least one show per week that specifically focuses on Every Bit Counts Challenge. It may just be a short, but it will be a show, and you can put your comments there.
I've had a couple people contact me privately and say, well, I did this, that, the other thing. And I'm like, well, post it. That's awesome. You know, you don't have to be a YouTuber to have somebody say, good job, you know. And I think we could all use somebody saying good job once in a while right now.
Do you know what time it is, Irene?
It is time to say goodbye. We actually have to get a little swig of water and get back out there. I want 4 more projects done today. They're small.
Are you sure?
Yes, I may only do 3.
Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, because
they're going to be doing a ton. We've got a lot going on right now, and I still need to start my tomato plant since I'm running behind. I'm a week behind right now.
You're a week behind, and I'm 2 weeks behind on the hyd. We're going to stop talking.
Yeah.
We'll
anyway.
talk with you later.
Bye.